Live, local, late breaking. WPBF 25 News at 9.
And January is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, and Promise Fund of Florida aims to promote early detection and vaccination. And here to talk about the local charity is co-founder Nancy Brinker. Welcome to you. Thanks so much for waking up with us and joining us on the show. And you know, Nancy, just like so many cancers, those yearly checkups are really key to prevention. So tell us, what should people know about cervical cancer?
Well, first thing, it's the one cancer, a women's cancer, that is almost totally preventable, Caroline, if people follow the guidelines. We feel that young people, 11 to 12 years old, should be vaccinated with the HPV vaccine, first of all, and then a second dose 6 to 12 months later. The vaccinations are effective for everyone through being 26 years old. In screening, 21 to 29, that's the area we say to start having Pap tests every 3 years, and 30 to 65 years, Pap and HIV testing every 5 years, or Pap test every 3 to 5 years. You know, the Promise Fund of Florida fills an immediate community need. We have 80,000 women in our county and beyond who have no health care access or any medical home. So it results in a substantial barrier taking sure this is a preventable disease. And in the last 50 years, we've reduced the amount of deaths of cervical cancer dramatically because of testing and because of people's awareness of it.
And tell us, Nancy, Promise Fund does so much in our community. What's really the mission of your organization, what you all do for the community?
Yeah, really what we do is try to remove the barriers of access to screening and care for breast and cervical cancer. We know that these diseases can be highly preventable in later stages, and the best chance women have is to have these screenings early. We installed our first screening unit at Found Care, a great federally qualified healthcare center here, and now we're working hard on creating a care stream, or what we call a continuum of care, so that people can be cared for as well.
And just last week, the Promise Fund, you all lit the Royal Park Bridge pink, right. Such a beautiful sight. Talk about the message that you all are hoping to send by doing that.
You know, the message of it is simply this. This is a bridge to not just in our county, but in every county in Florida where needs have to be met for low or under-resourced women who don't have access to health care or an opportunity to be screened. And the Promise Fund wants to make sure that women in our counties and all over the state are screened and have that opportunity. And this way we can prevent a lot of late-stage disease.
Thank you so much for coming on the show to talk about cervical cancer. Such an important message to talk about, especially this week with it being, this month with it being awareness for it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Caroline.
All right, you have a great day. Thanks so much.
Thank you.